Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz. And this is
Dancing in the Kitchen. You can tell we're having a good time.
We always do.
We do. So we're still talking about
breakfast.
Healthy breakfast. And today we are going to feature a fun, yummy recipe that I particularly love. It is buckwheat waffles.
Nice.
And it has almond butter, bananas, and honey on top.
Delish.
And so we are going to be featuring an ingredient today that contains magnesium. And magnesium is something that surprisingly a lot of people are deficient in.
Right, and a lot of people are talking about right now.
Yeah, it's
We're
the
so
buzzword.
deficient. Yes, we're so deficient in it.
Yeah, and so magnesium helps to calm your nervous system. It can contribute to better sleep. It has a whole host of benefits, but in particular to mood and mental health,
Yes,
those
mood
are
for sure.
Yeah, high among them. And the good thing about magnesium is that it's water soluble. So as opposed to fat soluble, when you've got water soluble things like magnesium or vitamin B, the B complex, those will flush out of your system. So it's very difficult to get too much. So you don't really have to worry about that as much as you would with like a vitamin A and E, things like that. So magnesium has those awesome health benefits, and the almond butter on our waffles contains magnesium.
Oh, nice. I didn't see that one coming.
Okay, so I guess we have a song that we need to feature.
We do.
And this is one of yours.
It is. It is a song called Love Nobody, and it's by my group Whatsoever. Judging from the title, it's about a selfish person who pretty much only loves themselves, which I've never been. Have you? Never. So yeah, I mean, check it out and let me know what you think.
Yeah, and our little waffles are actually...
They're little hearts.
They're heart-shaped.
No one's selfish around here.
No. Oh, I've even got like some hearts on my shirt.
See, it's full circle.
Feeling the love.
Yes.
All right, we will see you back here in just a bit and enjoy our waffle recipe.
When you love somebody, it's supposed to show. And when you say you love me, I know you don't. 'Cause you don't love nobody, you don't love nobody. You don't love nobody, you don't love nobody.
Hey guys, we hope you had fun checking out our waffle recipe and Liz's awesome song.
Thank you. And yeah, those waffles were delish.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, I really love the honey and the bananas, strawberries, everything was amazing.
And one thing that's great about these is they're also something you can batch cook. Like I make them on a Saturday or a Sunday and then just toss them in a Tupperware, warm them up in the oven during the week, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, and you can see from ours, you can fold them up and the little hearts and put them in a little Tupperware, and there you go.
Yeah, and they're even like pretty easy to take out on the go. All right, what should they do below?
Definitely like and subscribe and check out our merch. You might find something that you like.
And if you feel so inclined, buy us a coffee.
Oh yes, we love coffee.
We do. All right, we will see you guys next time, and we wish you a beautiful day.
Goodbye.
Tell them that it's all